iOS 26.1 is almost here, and it's packing a punch with 6 exciting new features that will revolutionize your iPhone experience. But before we dive in, let's address the elephant in the room. Are you ready for an upgrade that might just change the way you interact with your device? First up, Apple is giving you the power to customize your liquid glass interface. Say goodbye to the default transparency and hello to a new level of control. With the new setting, you can opt for a clear look, revealing more of the background, or go for a tinted appearance that adds a bold, opaque touch. And the best part? This change is inspired by beta testers like you, proving Apple's commitment to user feedback. But here's where it gets controversial. iOS 26.1 lets you disable the iconic lock screen swipe to camera gesture. While this might be a relief for those accidental pocket shots, it's a bold move away from a long-standing iPhone feature. Are you ready to bid farewell to this quick capture method, or will you miss the convenience? Your morning routine is about to get a makeover too. Apple has redesigned the alarm dismissal process, replacing the tap-to-stop button with a slide gesture. This tweak aims to prevent those groggy accidental alarm dismissals, but it might take some getting used to. And if you're not a fan, you can always revert to the old method with a simple toggle. For content creators and podcast enthusiasts, iOS 26.1 brings even more refinement to local capture. You now have the freedom to choose where your recordings are saved, and an audio-only option lets you focus solely on sound. Imagine capturing high-quality audio without the video clutter, a dream come true for many. Apple Music is also getting some love with a small yet impactful update. Swiping left or right to change songs is now possible without fully opening the player, making your listening experience smoother and more intuitive. But will this change encourage more music exploration, or is it just a minor convenience? Lastly, Apple is taking security to the next level with automatic security updates. The new background security improvements feature silently downloads and installs critical fixes, ensuring your iPhone stays protected without any effort on your part. But is this level of automation a step towards a more hands-off user experience, or does it raise concerns about control and transparency? These updates are just the tip of the iceberg, with iOS 26.1 bringing a host of other improvements and changes. From rumored ads in Apple Maps to the upcoming Apple TV 4K and the potential impact of the M6 MacBook Pro, the Apple ecosystem is buzzing with excitement. Stay tuned as we continue to explore these developments and more, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Are these changes everything you hoped for, or do you have suggestions for Apple's next big move?